What up, everybody? Happy Festivus, Kwanzaa, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever the hell it is that you celebrate this time of year. Happy whatever. So check it out. I've been flying the RiteSpec V3 quite a bit lately. It hit me yesterday. I want to hold a contest. So I reached out to a whole bunch of sponsors, and they've got a lot of prizes that it's going to go to the lucky winner. So let's talk about the deets. 1, it has to be a wing. Cannot be a twin boomer. Cannot be anything other than a wing. So please, be honest. Don't fly anything else other than a wing. And I really don't care who it is. It doesn't have to be a RiteWing. It can be anything that you want. It can be scratch built. Number 2, the video has to be 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. No longer or shorter. 3, this is going to be a hard one to swallow, but I want only DVR footage. I don't want any HD footage, and the reason for that, a lot of people don't have an HD camera, so it costs a lot of money. And to do what you're getting ready to try to do and push the envelope for 2 minutes and 30 seconds straight, freestyle, believe it or not, is a lot more challenging than you might think. Strap an HD camera on your wing to do this contest, probably not a good idea. So, DVR footage, if you don't like it, don't enter.
From Belgium, Ronald DeWitt, contestant number 2.
Deadline, 12 p.m. Eastern, December 23rd. That's the cutoff. It's got to be you flying, and it's got to be recent. So that means this week is your time. But you get the gist. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, only wings, DVR footage only. There you go. I want to see the next class of wing pilots. So... here's what the lucky winner's gonna get. So, Bob, tell them what they've won.
It's cookware. A complete set of the fabulous Salad Master heavyweight 3-ply stainless steel cookware.
First, you're gonna get Starbond Adhesives, including this and the accelerant. Folks, this stuff's the best. I'm telling you, when you start using this, you're gonna be so happy that you got it.
Oh.
The winner's also gonna get 2 of these. These are the GensAce 2200 3S packs. These are the race packs that I run. These literally are my packs, but you get 2 brand new ones. The next one is from Jeremiah at StoneBlue Airlines. He's offered up a flag. It's 10 foot tall. Here's the picture. Start creating your own wing course if that's what you so choose. But nonetheless, that'll get shipped to you as well. Folks over at Spektrum, they've offered up a camera and a VTX for you. And last but not least, cardboard box. Comes with flaps and used labeling. Yeah! But in all seriousness, it smells like snooze and sniss. What you do get is this. This is the grand prize. You get a RiteSpec V3. Don't put together like that. That sucks. You're not going to get this one right here because this one's mine. So there you go. That's the contest. Shelbys XMas Freestyle Contest. Do your best. Try your hardest. Push the envelope. Show me what you got. The winner will get all these prizes. Plus, I'm going to go ahead and feature you on my YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook page. So until next time, get you some more.
That's all, folks.